Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have decided to do some lipstick acrylic nails. And what I mean by lipstick acrylic nails, I'm talking about the shape. It's a different shape. Most people don't wear them nowadays, but being that Valentine's is coming up, I decided to do the lipstick shape nail tips. So I'm going to be using a straw. So I'm using a straw to put the, I'm using a straw for the tips. Gosh, can I get it out? Okay, so if you are a new viewer on my channel, please consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell so you can stay up to date on all my latest videos. And I'm just going to sit back and let you guys watch this video. Okay, so here we are with the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is a different nail shape. We don't see this very often, so I thought I would give it a try. This is my first time doing the lipstick nails. So, and it's also my first time using straws, so I think I did pretty good. So please, you guys, make sure if you like this video to give me a big thumbs up and leave me a comment. And until next time, I'll be seeing y'all. Bye. Adios.